Wow, just did a whole video, forgot to turn my mic on. So here we are again, and shooting from the hip. So S&P's up, really nothing going on over here. Um, yeah, Russia with their bullshit. Chip shortage not over. Yeah, we figured. We have to start producing here in the States. I mean, it's ridiculous. Um, China home buyers running out of patience. This is the fall. This is the fall. Beginning of the end of China. Unless I don't see the big picture. But they're going to lose their consumer. So here we go. Economics calendar, existing home sales, all we're really looking at. And then we have oil reports later on in the day. We also have Tesla reporting today. So that might move the market a little bit. So let's see what we got in the futures. Dink, dink, dink. Dink, dink. So Bitcoin in this consolidation, doing a little breakout of the consolidation. I'd like to see a bull flag build here and then pop. So if you took this entry, you would have taken it on the break, put the stop here. I might be squeezing my stop a little bit to mitigate damage, looking for this flag. If this flag happens tomorrow, then I would just move my stop to the bottom of the flag and just kind of chase that up, hopefully, looking for that close of this gap. I still can't argue that this closes gaps, so I'm still watching it and developing an opinion and a trading philosophy. Here's bonds. I'm neutral on bonds right now. They're probably waiting for the interest rate hike, which is the 27th or 28th next Wednesday. So keep your eye out for that. I'm expecting we should go into a choppy market. The Feds are in a quiet period right now, so you won't be hearing anything more from them. I think yesterday was the last announcement. Hold it. Coffee sip. Oh, yeah, that's good. Oh, that's so good. And what do we got? What am I even looking at over here? Oh, this is crude oil. Okay, crude. Bouncing off the lows. Look like we're building a flag. I'm neutral on it. I'm not getting too excited about anything over here. I'm just going to watch it a little bit. I still think it's a little high. Yeah, we might be going into a little consolidation around this area. I would have liked to have seen it in the 80s, but it looks like it might hang on to those 90 numbers for a little bit. Just neutral on it. Here's gold. Nothing really exciting going on. We're just sitting on support. We could watch a break of that support. This is a major support, by the way, and then take that trade. So that's it. I'm neutral on gold pending a break of that support right there. And that's it in the commodity arena. So here's Coinbase. Coinbase doing pretty much the same thing as Bitcoin. If you would have taken that trade, you would have taken the break of that blue line right here, breaking out of this channel it's been in for quite some time. On the break, I would have put my stop down here, or maybe even below this one right here, and then just squeeze the stop. This one doesn't look like it's sinking into a flag. It might continue its run up. Yeah, maybe we're looking for that $80 point. That'd be nice. I mean, it's 2 green days in a row, so you're already getting like the Kramers of the world screaming, "This could be the beginning." But we're not going to get too excited. We're not going to chase anything. So this broke a daily trend line. This is the S&P 500, broke a daily trend line at the closing yesterday. The resistance, the next resistance would have been at 950, 39.50. We blew right through that. It looks like we might be building a flag. When we looked at the 240s, we said, hey, a V-top is very unusual. And yep, jumped to 240. Right, so we saw this run up, traded down, and we were talking about a V-top is unusual. Expect another test of the high. Well, it tested and it blew right through, making 49.50 our next resistance. Busted right through there and turned around. Busted through there last night. So unless you were trading futures through the evening, you couldn't have taken advantage of that move. Although after this run, I don't know that that would have been a very good entry. I mean, that would have been exhausted. I would be waiting for a pullback, which it looks like we're getting right now. Futures were up 6 when I woke, but it looks like they're easing back a little bit. So we'll just have to see how the day goes. We might get into a bit of a chop, maybe a little retrace after that strong run up. I mean, I wouldn't mind another 100 points, but that was a pretty strong run up. So we'll see how it fades out. So basically, everybody, I'm neutral. I'm neutral across the board. I'm just neutral. So that's it. Not much more I could say. Subscribe, hit the bell, hit the like. I appreciate all the comments and input. We'll be watching Tesla today. Here's Tesla right here. It's not really moving much, but keep your eye on it. Let's see what the news articles are. Remember, calm and cool, at peace when you trade, and good luck with your trades.